What is up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in this guide, we're gonna walk through what to do if GTA 5 is not working on your PC. So the first thing you can try is simply check the Windows Defender. So simply search Windows Security and open it. Then go to Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Settings, and under Exclusions, you should be able to click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Then choose Add a Folder and select your GTA 5 installation folder as an exclusion. So once you do all this, you can then try running your game and see if it works. But if it doesn't, you can also update your graphic drivers by simply searching Device Manager, then navigate to your graphics card and select Update Driver. And lastly, you can also verify your game files on Steam. So you simply have to right click on GTA 5, go to Properties, then Local Files, and verify the integrity of the game files. And if you're on Epic Games, you will then have to simply click on the three dots, then select Manage, then verify the files using Epic Games. So simply try doing these and see if they work. But if they won't, a last resort would be to uninstall GTA 5 and reinstall it through your platform like Steam or Epic Games. So hopefully one of these worked, and if they did, then make sure to let us know in the comments and we will see you on the next one.